Smith. I own a collision repair shop here in Northwest Florida. I started out about 5 or 6 years ago painting medium duty trucks. I then moved to collision repair. We have a team of 4 now, and we plan to put out videos as much as possible. Please feel free to comment, share, like, and subscribe. Hey guys, we got in a newer Explorer in the other day that's hit a deer over here. You can see there's a little bit of damage there. This is actually an Interceptor, but it's owned by a civilian. But pretty cool color here. We haven't done one this color yet. We're gonna have to put a bumper cover, a fender flare, inner fender, headlight, grill. But it really doesn't look too bad, all things considered. So we're also going to keep you updated on this project. Alright, so we're going to do a little time lapse here on the disassembly on the Explorer. And pull the bumper cover off. Looks like we already got the headlight out. Gonna pull the bumper cover off, the grill, the fender. So when the insurance comes, they can see. Insurance hasn't actually looked at this car yet, and with Progressive they want to come and assess it. So we're going to pull this off, so if there's any hidden damage behind it, insurance will go ahead and see it. That way we won't have to do a supplement, or at least we won't have to do many supplements. Hopefully no supplement. It's easier. Get that fender off. I don't know if any of you guys have ever removed the fender on these Explorers, but they're foamed on the back of them, and they are pretty hard to get off. But we didn't really find much damage behind it. In fact, no damage behind any of the panels, other than the oil cooler or power steering cooler or whatever that is in the front there. It was bent a little bit, but the washer fluid reservoir, none of that stuff was really messed up. We're working on the Blue Explorer. We got the new parts in the booth. We just put some sealer on them. We're about to start spraying the base coat, then the clear. And then we're going to put them on the vehicle and blend it, and we'll be good to go. got all the work done on the Explorer here. All it needs now is a good bath. Alright, we got it washed up, got it all painted up, fixed up. It's ready to go back to the customer. Everything turned out pretty good. The color looks good. I think it looks pretty sharp. We ended up putting a different grill in it, a gloss black grill. New bumper cover, upper and lower, headlight, and the fender on the other side. Fender flare, but it all looks pretty good. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Please like, comment, share, subscribe.